Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Guys, as you know that the name of my channel is Chandan Singh Blogger. It means I am supposed to be making traveling videos or maybe food related videos. However, I am making such a videos through which I can teach you some situational words meaning. Because I am not able to go outside due to the fear of coronavirus. So I hope you understand guys. So guys, in this video I am going to teach you some words related to hair, like shampooing hair and all kinds of things you will get to know very soon. So first word I am going to teach you guys. When you go to your bathroom, you want to shampoo your hair, so you take some water, take a mug of water and put on your head to make it wet. So what is it called? Let me teach you guys the first one. So guys, this is a mug of water and this is called, when you make your hair wet, you know, this is called soaking. You're soaking your hair. You're soaking your hair, So before you shampoo your hair, you have to soak your hair properly so that you can loosen the oil or all the cuticles and all. So I'm soaking my hair. Now I will apply shampoo, guys. So guys, I am going to apply shampoo. See, I want to teach you that the second word, guys. When you apply shampoo and you start, doing like this, so that white mass, kind of soapy thing gathers, comes. So this process is called lather. It means you are lathering it. Lathering means what? You are trying to create that foam. You can also call it foam, like you are foaming. So whenever you get this in Hindi, it is called fein, I think, fein ana. So this is jhag ana, fein or jhag something. So this jhag is called leathering. It means I am leathering it. Leathering means leather is a verb also as well as noun. So if I am doing this in order to make this jhag type of thing, so this is called leathering. I am leathering, and when I get the amount of jhag, this is also called leather. It is also called foam. So I am leathering it. Leathering it. I am leathering it. Now I have got sufficient leather. This is leather. This is leather or foam. If you start doing like this, you start scrubbing it. This is called scrub. You're scrubbing your scalp. Okay. So this is leather. Fine, guys. You can see the leather. Now when you wash it off, especially the word is rinse. You can say rinse. Rinse is used to remove this soapy, thing, the soap and whatever, the shampoo is here on your hair. So if you want to remove it, wash it off, so the particular word is rinse. So I'm going to rinse my hair. Rinse. Rinsing my hair. So rinsing out all the shampoo, the leather. Guys, so this is the word rinsing. I have rinsed my hair. Sometimes it happens, suppose there is hot water and you put hot water on your head, or maybe there is steam and you say ki yaar mera to sar jal gaya, something like that. There you can't use burn. You have to use a word that is called scald. Scald. Scald means burning with any liquid, hot liquid or maybe steam. So if you get burned, you can say that I have scalded myself, or this water, this hot water has scalded my scalp or my head or my skin. So the word is scald. Scald. You got it? Scald. Fine. Guys, after you rinse your hair, you want to dry it off. So you take a towel. I have taken a gamcha. Okay, you can take a towel. So there is a word for this also. The word is towel. Towel works as noun also. It means the piece that you have, that is towel, and it works as a verb also. It means you can say that I'm toweling my hair dry. So toweling my hair dry, you can towel it dry. सो टॉवल के बाद आपको ड्राई भी यूज करना है, तो ताकि पता चलता है, हालांकि आप टॉवलिंग भी कह सकते हैं, यू कैन ऑल्सो से टॉवलिंग, आई एम टॉवलिंग माई हेयर, इट मीन्स यू आर रबिंग द टॉवल ऑन योर हेयर to get all the moisture out. So this is toweling, I'm toweling my hair, or you can put I'm toweling my hair dry. So some people don't know about these words, that's why I'm teaching you guys. I'm toweling my hair. So guys, when you get this type of hair, like like क्या बोलते हैं, बिखरा हुआ बाल, बिखरे हुए बाल, झबला type of hair, so this is called shaggy hair. If this hairstyle somebody has, this kind of, so this is called shaggy hair, shaggy hair. And if there is no hair, you are totally ujda chaman, so you may have knowledge about that word, like this is called bald, but so many people mispronounce it, they say bald, it's not bald, it's bold, though the spelling is ba, still it is pronounced bold. It means if I don't have hair, I am absolutely ganja, takla, ujda chaman, whatever, this is called bold. It means I am bold, you are bold. And if somebody is going to get bold, agar koi ganja hone ja raha hai, so there is a phrasal verb go bold. It means I am going to go bold, yani ki main ganja hone ja raha hu. He is going bold, wo ganja ho raha hai. Like you must have heard go mad. कहते हैं ना कि हैव यू गॉन मैड, हैव यू गॉन मैड, क्या तुम पागल हो गए हो. सो गो के साथ कई वर्ड्स आते हैं दोस्तों. सो लाइक गो मैड, go bold, go shopping, go swimming, like that. I'm going shopping, I'm going swimming. Similarly, I'm going bald, it means कि मैं गंजा होने जा रहा हूँ. So you got it, guys? Guys, sometimes it happens like you have hair, hair on your eye, and you do like this. To remove the hair, you just give a quick movement. So this process is called flick. It means you're flicking your hair, flick word is used not only for hair. Suppose here there is something, and if I do like this to remove that, the quick movement, if I do either with the help of my finger, or like this, or like this, or without even touching anything, just I flick my head, so it means I'm flicking. So flick is also very important word. So for hair, if hair is here, if your hair is here, you can flick it like that. Got it, guys? Now let's talk about singular and plural. So the whole, this the area you can see the hair, this whole hair is called hair. It is not called hairs. You can't call it hairs. But if there is counting, like 1 2 3 4 pieces are there, lines of hairs, then you can say hairs, like 5 hairs, 6 hairs. But you can also use, if there is a single hair, you can use strand. I have a strand of hair. So in hi-fi English conversation, they say strand, like I have 2 strands of hair, I have 3 strands of hair. Oh, let me take 1 strand of hair. बाल अगर सफ़ेद हो रहे तो ग्रे, तो पता ही होगा, ग्रे वर्ड. So this is strand of hair, you must know, strand of hair. Got it, guys? So guys, if somebody makes choti, so you can see this choti is called braid. And braid is a noun as well as a verb. It means you can also say that she is braiding. This is a braided hair. Braided hair means choti बना हुआ ये बाल है, and she is braiding, she is going to braid, it means वो चोटी बनाने जा रही है. Okay, I have to make 2 braids, I have to make a braid. So braid means choti. अब there are various types of braids, कई तरह के braid होते हैं, अलग अलग स्टाइल में है, तो I'm not going to explain those things. I just wanted to tell you कि braid है. You got it, guys? So braid means choti. Guys, now I'm going to teach you a word. You must have already idea about this. Like if you tie your hair from top, tie your hair from top, and you just leave rest of the hair like a tail, falling down. So this is called ponytail. This is called ponytail. So whoever has a long hair can make ponytail. So this is a ponytail. She has made a ponytail. Got it, guys? So guys, now I'm going to show you, if you make the hairstyle like this, ball type of shape here, this round. So this is called bun. In Hindi I don't know, bun. In English this is bun. So got it, guys? bun. This is a bun of hair. Okay, guys, you must have seen some Africans or Nigerian. They have very different hair. Like they twist their hair and make small, I mean thin line. There are so many lines you can see on your head. Twisted hair, a kind of braid type of hair, and so many lines. And you can see the scalp line also. Scalp means hairline, then scalp again, hair, scalp again, hair, scalp. So that hairstyle is called corn row. They make corn row. Got it, guys? So guys, if there are some insects on your hair, in Hindi this is called juए होना, juए. So in English they are called lice. Lice is a plural word. अगर एक जू है, one, that is called louse. But generally people say lice क्योंकि बहुत सारे होते हैं तो lice. So lice means जुए, lice. There are some lice in her hair, lice. And the hair of this under armpit, so this is called armpit hair, or you can also say underarm hair. So armpit hair or underarm hair. And if you talk about the hair on genital area, private parts and all, so they are called pubic hair. I'm sorry to tell you, but I wanted to tell you कि चलो यार ये भी पता होना चाहिए if you don't know. Pubic hair. So this is underarm hair and that is pubic hair. और बाकी तो गूज बम्स ये सब तो आपको पता ही है guys. So बस, और ये जो एरिया है जहाँ से बाल गिरते हैं ज़्यादा मर्दों की, ये क्राउन कहलाता है. This area is called crown. So you can say that from my crown hair is falling or hair is shedding. Crown. So guys, this is all about this video. I hope कुछ तो आपको नया मिला होगा. So this is all. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.